In this video, we will learn how to position objects in the center of the artboard without having to manually drag them. Previously, make sure the Align tool is already available on the panel. If not available, you can bring it up via Window, Align, Position on the panel. Now, the image selection. Click Align. Select Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. Finished. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Please click like. Getting likes from you will help YouTube recommend this video to other friends. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.